Welcome to another episode of Funky Car Finds. And here's another custom club car for you for $10,000, Cadillac DeVille. And here's some more information if you want to check it out yourself. Now you get one of these, you're pretty much a pimpin' golfer. So you're working two jobs, if you know what I mean. So you always have some place that you stop by before you go golfing, you know, to collect the earnings of the night or whatever. No, but honestly, this is a really cool build, and I can tell that the guy who builds these, because I featured one of his cars before on the show here. I mean, he really knows what he's doing, and he puts a lot of love and effort into this. So 10 out of 10, 15,000, I think it's worth it. And here's a 1994 Chevy Blazer for $6,500, and here's some more information if you want to read for yourself. Yeah, I mean, yeah, there's a lot of effort that went into this. I can see that. I can see the craftsmanship. I can see the engineering. I can see everything, all the details, all the wheels, everything sticking out. But when you hear it, it all makes sense. And here's a trolley bus for you for $6,500, and here's some more information if you want to read up on it by yourself. So according to the ad, the engine doesn't turn on, but it's apparently not locked, so that's something. But look at this. I mean, look, how cool isn't this? You're essentially driving a tram on wheels. Look at that, like old vintage tram, you know, seats, benches, you know. You could be going grocery shopping with this, and then, you know, when you're done, you just go ding ding, all aboard. And here's a 1970 Ford F100 Sport for $3,500, and here's some more details if you want to read for yourself. Yeah, it's pretty much a rusty old Ford that's been sitting in the owner's backyard for about 100 years. Yeah, seems pretty alright underneath. I mean, not too bad, not too shabby. A little bit of rust here and there. I mean, it's probably good for parts, you know, some, yeah, maybe skip the seats and probably the bed also, but yeah, $3,500, probably something's good, you know. And here's a custom Chevy S10 from 1991 for $15,000, and here's some more information if you want to read for yourself. The 91 Chevy S10 is a nice car. This is not a nice car. I don't know, like, this is some type of, Joker mobile slash, I don't know, like trying to be a hot rod. I mean, I know it's a rat rod, but it's just like I don't know. I don't get the price, 15,000, and then you get this. Like, you could have built something nice, but you did this instead, and it looks like it would sound like And this is a 2004 Mazda RX-8 for $6,500, and here's some more information if you want to read for yourself. Now, dude, I don't know, like, I first thought that this was some kind of detailing, you know, some kind of zombie apocalypse vehicle or whatever, because of the matching red, you know, in the interior, the red steering wheel, the red carpets. But he's just trying to cover up for the horrible paint job, and he's asking way too much for it. And here's a 1984 Chevy Silverado for $25,000. Here's some more information if you want to read it for yourself. So basically, this truck is all custom, and it's a mudding truck pretty much. And if you don't know what a mudding truck is, it's basically you go with this in a deep pot of mud. And yeah, the guy has definitely invested a lot of money in this, and I think that's why the price is so high. It's another one of those, oh, you don't know how much money I put into this. I put in like half my life savings, and it's like, okay, like, it's cool and all, and it's probably great at mudding, but you know, it's an old truck. Next up is a 1998 Dodge Grand Caravan for $14,500, and here's some details if you want to read for yourself. So it's basically another rat rod, has starred in Mad Max apparently, has won several awards for it too, has a custom hot tub with the SpongeBob doors included, I guess. Yeah, there you go, there's the hot tub, there's the skeleton also, to keep you company. But $14,500? I don't know. Next up, a 2024 custom jet ski that looks like a SL Mercedes for $40,000. Here's some more information if you want to read for yourself. Yeah, so essentially it's a Mercedes jet ski strap-on or something like that. But it's really cool. I mean, it's basically an SL class that you can drive on water, which is really cool. I mean, 200 horsepower under the hood. I mean, look at that thing. That looks like a lot of fun. But for 40 grand, oof, that's hefty. And next up is a 1934 Ford Custom for $6,200. Here's some details if you want to read for yourself. But yeah, it's basically an old Ford that looks like a cargo box or something like that, with a cool set of muscle car wheels or some kind of sport wheels. But it looks kind of slow, if you know what I mean. not the sharpest knife in the drawer. Yeah. But 6,200 is pretty alright. And here's some 1931 Packard Speedster for you for 14,950. And here's some more info if you want to check it out yourself. Yeah, Great Gatsby. That's all I think of when I say this car. It looks cool. I mean, it's still a project, obviously, but the current owner has done a lot of work. You can tell that. But I did not know that they did wooden body panels this late. I thought that they stopped doing that way earlier. But yeah, there you go, right? But yeah, it says that it runs fine in the engine and transmission, so I guess there's mainly bodywork that you have to do on this, but 14,950, maybe it's an okay deal, not really sure what these go for. And here's a cool resto-modded Ford for you from 2007 for $10,000. Here's some more information if you want to read for yourself. So essentially it's a body swapped Camaro 68 onto a 2007 Mustang. You can see the process here. It's pretty cool. And according to the owner, it's his daily driver, has no traction whatsoever on wet or dry surfaces. So yeah, 10,000, it's yours, baby. And here's a custom bus hauler for 12,500. And here's some more information if you want to read for yourself. Yeah, so I mean, what you see is what you get. It's a school bus that they turn into a hauler. I mean, I think it's cool. Like, I've actually never seen somebody do this, but I guess it makes sense, right? Because you already have the frame. You just, take the top off and there you go, right? So, is it worth 12,500 though? I mean, I don't know. It looks okay, but it's a school bus, so probably has a lot of miles on it. So I'm not sure. There's this 1949 Plymouth for $9,000. And here's some information if you want to pause and read it for yourself. But yeah, it's a pretty cool rat rod in my opinion. Has got a lot of green going on, a lot of death hanging around too, for that matter. If you're into that, you're into skulls in the dashboard and like skulls hanging on the back of your car, skulls hanging in front of your car, then this is the car for you. But $9,000, that's pretty hefty. If you enjoyed this episode of Funky Car Finds, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and see you next time.